Hello, I'm Travis, your trusty Hobart Innovation Lab engineer. And I'm Travis too, because the only thing better than a trusty Hobart Innovation Lab engineer is two trusty Hobart Innovation Lab engineers. Hey Travis. Hey Travis, looking good, buddy. Right back at you, big guy. So you may be wondering why it takes two Travises to show you the new LXn Undercounter commercial dishwasher. The LXn Undercounters, 2 levels, let you load twice as much per load. See all these bowls, pans, silverware, and plates? You want speed? How about 48 racks per hour? Now that's fast. When you're washing twice as much per load, it means less time dishwashing and more time doing other tasks that need to get done. You could even take the second level rack out and take full advantage of that 17-inch opening height. Select the NSF Pot Pan Cycle and load it up to clean your toughest prepware, even full-size sheet pans.